James, shouldn't mean I'm actually until we get in past
well, no one said that.
Ideally.
Outside the safe zone. No one saw that one. That was bad.
Yeah, there's my bit of gun and thing there on my other gun.
Oh, so you left on your other gun?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the worst.
No. That way a bit. Yeah, that's enough.
Oh,
I remember the first time I met you lot.
Yeah, I think so. At least you didn't get what Cole got.
What, the nuts?
That fucking shotgun round to the nuts that he got.
I didn't.
remember, Jeff?
Which one?
50 blokes who were just going, get up. It was right there as well.
So tempted
You got
to
me
put a
the-
hole in the bottom of your coffin.
James, you remember the heli fields where I got you into the cock?
Ricocheted off the floor into it. Off your boot even.
Why? Get the boot.
No, it just
So I got my nephew in a nut shot and Helifield once. He went down like a sack of spuds.
That's why this is hanging here.
I remember the first time I took my mate Chris airsoft. He actually got shot.
I ain't even got bands
Lost
on.
the blues on one side,
Went all the way through.
and if you haven't got an armband, or your yellow just on the other side.
I'll have thinking no armband.
That seems fair.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I thought this was fair. This seems fair. Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, it seems fair.
How many do you need? 7?
We've got 22, so we need 11 on one side and 11 on the other.
So we need 6 to move over.
Six more to move over.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everyone.
Okay, everyone on this side, take your armbands off. We're going to be doing blues versus non-armbands, okay?
My armband goes in the pocket.
I like that. I like it. That did not hurt.
He got both of my boots at the same time.
2 for 1.
Try shot, okay guys, we're just going to start off nice and simple. We're just going to play a game of domination.
Touch up your gas ball.
Behind me in the central area there, that's going to be a capture point. Whichever team manages to get a player on that water container for the longest amount of time is going to be the winning team, okay?
Water container in the big white box.
Team starting at the far end and non-armbands starting down this end. Yeah. We're going to run. You don't have a halfway point, but you can't go into the enemy's line trench, okay? So you can go wherever you like, apart from the enemy's back trench.
I know where we're going. Yeah.
Yeah, get the enemy.
So on this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be a very
Fire on
long
this one.
That is a choke point. That way, every pointing that way.
Yeah, looks like it.
We only underway team.
Yeah, okay, then one then. Standing only.
Yeah, that's single fire. Okay, guys.
All clear?
Yeah, we're ready.
Are they on that side or are we on that side?
That was.
So the objective, Baz, is to what? Just
Water container in the centre. Yeah. Behind the tree there. Yeah. Get a player onto there, like heli dom. Yeah.
And a water bucket.
Yeah.
Heli dom, but mud.
No, just next to it. Yeah. You can hide on your side behind the barrel.
So, who's ready to go swimming then? Hell yeah! All right, you're taking right side then. Have fun.
Right side's quite
Right side's awful.
I actually like the right side. I'll get through the hedges and then I can get them. And this is firing. Amazing.
Ah, there we go. You got that one. They're dropping, yeah.
Still needs hot.
I got Angus right in his hand. Barry, I got Angus right in his hand. I wasn't even aiming at his hand. I was only sent a mass.
Okay, non-armbands, if you want to drop down into your back line trench.
Jamie.
I'll see how you sound his hand is. I'm sorry before the sent a mass. It's massive filthy.
It's going further than it is.
I'm not even raging that clear.
Still popping down though.
I got Angus on his hands. Angus, it's Marshall. I'm going for my normal spot.
Where's that?
That tree there.
Back straight to the
Right, these
on top of you.
Yeah.
You have to come right back to the middle, you can just come to the corner and you're straight back in, okay?
I've got wings.
Sorry boys. This one does my knees in. Jumping in and out of trenches.
Doesn't even crouch on the
How did I know that? Sixth sense. Aim at my asshole.
You've got radio on you,
No, no.
Did I just hear him go no because I heard a BB go past that ear?
Just realised I was trying to
I get bullied here. No, stop aiming at me.
I don't even know.
I won't even let you. James, let's point down that way.
Fair enough.
There
Oh, you born!
Damn it! That shot!
That's the lowest jawlage one here.
No, it's not.
This is.
Oh, that.
Okay, dude, stand by!
Not the best reaction. Hello, boys.
God.
We're done.
Right, somebody, one of their players has come up quite close up this end. Right.
Yeah, he just shot me in the helmet.
This is that helmet, not the other helmet. Yeah, something like that. Just get to give Marshall a shout. Huh? When you take your iPod off, make sure.
Yeah, I know, I cover it so I can't do it. Oh god, mate. Please keep something up.
Oh, watch it, watch it, watch it.
Nah! Well, I've got one more, I've got one more. Hold on. Should I do this one? I need someone down there. Or should I do this one then?
Yeah, do it.
Watch out. I want to see if I can throw it far. Oh, it's not far at all.
On the water container.
Oh, he's up top. Look his head. I haven't got the range for that.
Watch out. Pick it up.
What's that? Did it?
All top slide's gone.
Oh man. You want me to take it?
Yeah, full top slide literally blew up. As you went, bang, everything came out the front.
Fuck.
Oh. Gotta get me a